That was weird. Alright, I'm back. Audio was messed up. You guys can hear me. Audio was plugged out. Alright. Yeah, what I was saying is Terrain Shitty 2.9 has holes now. I just made a little test section here. Pretty neat though. I'm gonna make an actual cave though. Or maybe I'll make some pieces that I could use for a cave. We're gonna do all of that in Blender. And let's get ready to do it. I'm gonna open up Blender really quick. Alright, delete that. Add a start with a sphere. I could pop these parts off. I could rotate them side. Scale them on Y. Add some loops. Add some more. Flip this to 68. Thing is, I'm gonna paint it and then invert its location. So go to sculpt mode. Then we could do the opposite of that here. What I could do at this point now is break this down a lot. The inside here looks. That's annoying. Alright, that should do the trick. Hold on, let me. 5. I want this to like go down, like me. Go to edit mode, wireframes, grab this whole section, cross section. Then do that right. Then turn on this guy. Could rotate him. Some offset. Not rotate. Grab and rotate. Scale it too. I'll make this area be a dead end. I'm gonna delete all of these. Faces. I could probably add a thing here. Let's add a cube. Oops. Put it off for now. Grab on Y. Grab on Z. I'm gonna add a remesh modifier on this guy. Grab on Y again. Scale him up. Some slices here. So add 5 and then 5 more here. Alright, let's do a remesh to this guy. I'll move it out a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna do remesh modifier. Remesh. Change the type to be smooth, maybe. Way too smooth, but turn it up a bit. There you go. How about that? That should be fine. Hope it's not. Alright, this. Or I don't like this. Let's make this higher. Grab these guys. Grab Z. Alright. Let's apply that. Now I could delete all of this here. Or not necessarily delete, but sure. Ooh, that looks really nice. Plus eat those, eat these, eat these. Wonder what I could get away with. I could make procedural measures. I mean, I could, but come on. Read that. I did this backwards. I could have did a spline. My life easier. But oh well. Wasn't thinking. Ready. Set that side. Oop. Let's see how the end looks. I might have to do a remesh again. That's gonna be annoying. Maybe I should just get rid of Alright, let's try that. The sculpt mode and hey Fernifer. So Terrain 3D had a update, so now it has holes. Let me go back and show you. I had this thing running still. So here I had a hole. I have a hole in the actual terrain now. I could show you in the editor. Let me hide that cave entrance. There you go. They could paint holes at any point now. Literally just a brush. Here it is. And the collision and everything works too. Look at that. So let me just run that just like that and you see. Oh, I'm doing good. I haven't streamed in a while, but I had my whole schedule changed up. So I moved to a new location where I work. You could already see the hole here. Let me show you. I could walk all the way up to it and then just jump in. There you go. Pretty neat. And to erase it, disabled. That's like one of the hardest things to program. I guess I figured it out. Turn back my cave entrance. Where is it? So what I start doing now is using markers So I could just put stuff on that location, because every time I added something to the world, I'd look for the origin and move it around and stuff. So now I just have a marker cave entrance, and whatever I want to put here, just start from this as a child. Alright, so what I was doing here, I was making a cave. But I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm doing this the harder way. I'm gonna redo this whole thing. So object, let's delete that. It was pretty quick to do, so I'm gonna use a curve this time to make a proper cave hole. In edit mode, just subdivide this. So what was it? I think there's a button over somewhere. That's my brain. I'm having a brain freeze right now. R? I don't remember. Oh well. Alright, let me just extrude instead. Rotate this guy. Alright, I don't want it to be too far in. Alright, let me change that to a what would it be? Should it be here? Wrong thing. Where is this thingy? Object round. There you go. So after I create this, I'm gonna just modify it. Nice scale errors. Good. Alright, that's deep enough, right? For our first cave test. Service port. Back a little bit. Make it curve. Grab this part, put it over here. Eight. Alright. Then I could just apply this. So go to object, mesh. Oops. Convert. Go. So this is gonna be the entrance. I should have bring it down a bit. Okay, turn this guy on. Grab. The reason I'm doing that so it doesn't it's gonna interfere with the water. Dang it. I need to do something about that water in the map. So I could go underground without the mesh still being there. I could just make something. Or have multiple meshes around the island. For the water, I mean. Alright, so let's go back to Blender. I'm gonna export this real quick and just call it cave. I kept this end. Fill. Or should I use grid fill, but oh well. Hold on. Let's not use that either. Grid fill. That's better. I could move this back a bit. Bro. Put a subsurface modifier on this. And let me actually sculpt it a little bit. Where Alt Control. Squishy a bit. Doesn't look so even. And I could make a little some cave what you would call them, cave rocks. Those upside down ones. Let me try that. So I'm gonna select this whole section. I'll use the brush. Okay. Alright. Erase some of that. Then I'm gonna make a group with that. So vertex group. Call it walls. Fine. Now let's make a tiny make a use a cone. Rotate him on it. And scale this guy down. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh. Him down. Make sure it works first. Scale Z. I'm gonna let them stick up like that. I need to move the origin to right about and select that guy and browser selected and origin to 3D cursor. I wanted to move that 3D cursor down a bit. Let's go back here. Where's the cursor? Move its Z down that much. 8.7. Where is it? Hold on. Move the cursor back to selected. 0.08, so 0.07. Yes, that's perfect. Then now I could say cursor to origin. Retreat. Sure. Got it. Alright, now. What do they call them? Sedentary rocks, I think? Let me Google it real quick. Sedentary rocks. No. Not really. I mean, it kinda is. But there's a name for the one that's up and one for one that's down. Not important. Let's just call it rock. Or ceiling rock. Keep my life simple. Ceiling rock. Right now on this guy, need to add a particle. Come on. Particle system. Oh, I'm in the wrong spot. Emitter. Oops. That. Where is it? Maybe I'm using the wrong thing. I think I could use the actual geometric system for this. That's literally the better option. Me go back to this guy. I don't use this often, so I might be struggling here. Where is it? Shader. Where is it? Geometry node. Alright. Let's call this Rocks Distro. Alright, I gotta remember how to do this. Let's see, what was it? Object instance on points. I think it was. Then the instance was a instance is it? Mesh. Read. Point. Distribute points on volume. Can't remember which one of this it was. I think it was this guy. And the selection was. Dang, I don't remember. Dang it. I'm trying to remember how to use this. I think the main thing here, I have to make an output. I don't remember how to use this thing, right? I did it before too. Join geometry. That would be the end. Alright. Instance is on points. Instance the points. Geometry to instance. Instance is on points. I'm 100% sure it's this. Pick instance. How do I select this guy and drag him in here? That's my next problem. So input, I think I add one here. Add input type object default rock. All right. Can I change the color of this? Oh. So the instance is this guy. Instance index. Dang. I think it was a collection. Dang. I'm trying to remember this thing. Let's drag that object in. It really called socket, or call it rock. And ceiling rock. Code group geometry input must be a what? Must be the first. Oh, whoops. Thing is, I want to pick the points. Oh, so the points should be add a constant. I wish I could grab this thing. I'm not sure where to get it. Or object properties or something like that. Let's search object info, maybe geometry. Dang, could use the same thing for the object. Oh well, didn't need that. I need the points now. Instance point, distribute points on faces. That mesh, that's supposed to be there. Mesh. Don't think it's working. What's going on here? Realize geometry not used when picking instant is true. Okay. Yeah, I don't use this often, so I'm like struggling right now. Instance index. This is when I know this is for when it's a group or a collection. I mean, collection of items like this thing here. Would have it in a collection. And collection should be 0, I think. Constant. There's a gradient sample curve. There's no constant. Hold on. Input constant. Don't think I need this one. You get what I'm trying to do? So I want this guy to get distributed under here. Pretty sure I could do it with a particle system. And then use the walls as the location. Alright, in a cave you have the rocks that hang down from the ceilings. That's what I'm trying to add to here. So this one I want to add a bunch of them under in the cave itself. I want them to hang down. I need to invert this, by the way. So let me select all object mode. I mean all base invert. Where is it? Mesh invert. Mesh normals. Calculate inside. This way you're inside the mesh instead of outside. Double check that. Yep. I know there's an easy way to do this, but I never did it with this before. I might experiment with this another day, so let's get rid of this. I know I could do it with some kind of particle. Go back to particle. Where is it? Get rid of this guy. Oh, I need to rename this to cave. It's throwing me off. Cave. Or cave path. It doesn't matter. And let's add a particle. And the vertex group right here. Roughness. Okay. Length clump. The walls. Are we up to something already? Animation number seed. See, it works perfect. Now I need to just put the object on it. So where is it? I think it's source. Emit from faces. Vertices. Then there's a way to tell it what object to use, but I don't remember where that is. Modifier, velocity, physics. Textures. I wanna use no textures. Children. Oh. Is it here? Maybe. It's not here. From start. Alright, end 200. Or 199, 188. Not sure what I'm doing here, but I think here is the right thing to use. Not those size here's either. Change this back down to like 10. And the here should be Ear shape. Am I crazy? I wonder if it's a modifier and I'm just doing the wrong thing. Generate. Oh, look at that. Particle instant. Crap. Been doing it the wrong way the whole time. Healing rock. Particle system. Create instance. Create a long path. There's. Alright, gotta create a particle system. Okay. Group. Why is this not work? Does this have to be a here type, maybe? Mission. I really want to figure this out. Lifetime 50. I did this a long time ago, but I haven't used it recently. I completely forgot where goes what, or what goes where. Tonian. Pretty sure I used here at the time. Here dynamics, render path. Cause here is technically grass. Ordinances. Oh. Alright, this makes sense. Alright, let's skip this for now. It's gonna drive me crazy. Let's save this as a save. Call it 01 for now. New Terra. Okay. Source of streams. It's model. Alright. Let's go to Blender. It's gonna be messy, but Word assets, models, 1. Don't need a light. Let's skip an import. Camera, skip an import. Alright, there we go. And I need to use a double this. Might use the wrap material for it. So for material, the rock material. It's material. I don't like that one. Go back. Sure, let's experiment. That is because I didn't add a material to it, did I? Let's just do a quick smart UVM project. I need it, but size of it anyways. Item. Okay, its dimensions are not good. It's a lot smaller than I thought. Scale them up quite a bit. Confused as to why is it rotated? Nope. Oh, the X that is. Alright, so save or scale, I mean 31 meters, 7 by 4. Added the material. Give it a dark grayish color. Start. And no roughness. Or rough, I mean. Metallic. Save, and then we could go back to blend Godot. Oh, I like it. Let's apply a collision to this. Mesh collision. Perfect. Save scene as means need a new folder for caves. Alright, so now on the island, cave entrance plus instance.cave. That is way too small. What is going on with that? That's not right. Did I upload up? Oh boy. Didn't upload, did I? I did. That's weird. Oh, I need to double check this guy. I wonder why I came in so small. Word. The long spaghetti. I don't know. That's weird. Oh. Hold on, let me see if I scale this by any chance. Not scaled. Oh. Alright, let me just do it myself for now. Oh, it is actually right. It's just really hold on. I forgot this thing is huge. Let's scale them up a bit, about there. That's what, 4 times. Grab it and move over. Gonna be about that. I could delete this inside piece. So I'm talking about the water, but that actually kind of looks cool. Does kind of look cool. All right, let me move it back a little more. Oh, it's sticking out there. Should always work on that. Move this rock down here. Could move some of these guys out a bit. Don't need a lot of these guys anymore. Delete that one. Delete this as well. Actually, no, I need that one. Right here. Just repainting that section. Right. Oops, can't move that one. Scale this guy up too. Need to make some better rocks for this, but that's already. Alright, that's a little better. Let's test it out. Though I'm underwater and everything. Oh, by the way, I could run now. I don't know if I realized that, but... Oh, why did I mess up here? I can't even get in the cave. Oh, god. I move the player closer. This thing is still down. I'll move these guys down a bit. Is there one hidden there that I'm not using? Where's the player? I'm gonna move him closer so I could at least see what I'm doing. That's not bad. If it works. I need to make a loading screen because it takes its time. Nice. But as I was saying, I need to get rid of the water thingy. Some kind of flashlight. I can't even swim. Dead end. That's cool. Got a cave system. That's weird though. Wonder how I could do this. That does not look right. You guys think I could fix this? I could make a mesh, but then I would have to know the exact L. One mesh for water. I could just make it hide if I go in there. That water. Just go in there, no water. So I want you to like mine. Maybe there's be a lot more rocks on the ground in the cave. I mean, rocks and probably metal. Alright, I need a material in there. Go back on then cave material use assets bark. Alright, I need to add a rock material. Rock. I need to organize this. The scenes. Objects. How to rock materials. That was pretty good. How do you guys organize your work? Do you keep materials separate from the objects that you normally use them with? I feel like that's more work to me. I don't know why. I know I want to use a material and I have to be searching. I mean, I have the material, but it's... Alright, let's just use... Yeah, that looks... What I was using actually. What? Yeah, that was weird. I have this weird bug that keeps happening. That I switched to the island scene, but the cave scene still loaded over here. Right. All I need now is a flashlight. Weirdly enough, this material actually looks like a cave material in a way. It's actually the tree. Actually, no, it looks like it. Oh man. So I wanna like spawn some rocks all over in here. That'd be pretty cool. No formal lighting. How could I get rid of that? I know that's something to do with shading. But I've seen that in other games before. I'm turning on by the water. And that's okay for now. I need some kind of generator to put. I mean, I'm done. I'm using the actual thing here. Trees. I could actually use this. Not really. Work. Brain freeze. What am I doing? And that's one cave. Alright, let me try to fix that thing I was trying to figure out. Alright, let's try this again. First, need a new geometry node. No need an instance on points. Search instances on points or something like that. Instances to points. geometry to instance. Don't want that one. Get the object info. Want it to be that steel and rock. Then geometry to instance. I don't know why I deleted that. Then instance and points. And point. What was that? Keep forgetting I have that thing on. So how do I get the points? Search object info. Self object. Yes. Oh. Object info. What I want is the I want the group to be the points. Alright, let me properly look through this list. So input group input pulls connected data from inside a node group, but I'm not sure what that is. Alright, not that one. Attribute group rock distro. Oh, there you are. Another bit. So that's the actual where is it? This guy, I think. Wait, maybe I'm messing up here. Rock distro. I'm confused now. I swear I just did that. Ceiling. Alright, that's not right. Delete that. That's the name of the actual group. This thing I'm not using anymore. I just got confused for a sec. Here. Oh. Geometry, operations, join, curve, instances, realize instances. I don't need that for the end of this. Then I need point, distribute points on this. Unknown socket value, either socket was not used for this. Log join last evaluation. Distribute points on faces. Oh. Alright, let me Google it. I give up. I usually try figuring things out without Google, but here we are. How to get points from vertex group. The nodes. Collection. Value. What I'm looking for. Geometry points. Check this out. Curve from select the group from the groups list. Let's make okay. So create a group. That's not what I'm looking for. I want to know how to use it in a GeoNodes. Weight map blender. Oh, weight map. Can connect an empty socket to. Oh. Oh. Okay. So all I have to do is add an input, call it density. Then it's a, don't know what it is yet. Collection. Object. I don't think that's what it is, but there it looks. Go back to modifier. Delete that. Density. Then rock. Not an object. Let's see what each one of these are. Collection. Should be a group. Oh, sorry. Is there 3 of these? Oh, that's the output. Output. Input. Let me double check this because I got confused. You then go to modifier structure. If you look at the group input node, you can connect an empty socket. Density of. Oh. Nice. Alright, let me double check that. So I have to set it as a text input. Alright, all it is. Then what? Well, now I'm even more lost. I get it, but I don't get it at the same time. Boolean string. I guess I just type it in. I don't think that's all to do, but I still don't get it. Vertex. Oh. There you are. Vertex. Balls. Sweet. Alright. Points. This guy. What? Oh. Why is the input changed? points to something. Serious. Instance on points. Why is it changing when I hit? Group output geometry. Points to vertex. Okay. The distribute points on oh. Geometry instance on points. Close. Join. Alright, we're close. And close. Close. Where is that? Look. The hell is it? Rotation on X should be 180. Now I need to find the weight distribution. Points. I want something that outputs the points. The hell is ceiling rock? Am I crazy? Then the file. Oh, it takes it. Okay, that makes sense. Need to figure out how to distribute it. Oh, this link. There you go. That did the trick. Alright, now I need to scale this guy down. Where is it? Am I crazy? Ceiling rock. Where is the ceiling rock? I'm gonna move this guy. I know I'm not that crazy. Vertex groups, all modifiers. I mean, I got it, kinda. But where's the ceiling rock? I'm going crazy here. I need it to be more random now. Let's see if there's a random somewhere in here. A random value. Oh, stick it in there. Need somewhere to split between this and this. Select. Alright, is there a Boolean operation here? Yes, sir. Guess it's only out though. That sucks. Is there an if? Relation. Oh, hey Wilson. Hope I didn't just see that I said that a while back. I mean, you're way back. You're not live right now, probably. Actually, up to fixing Blender. Figuring out something here. Pick instance. Oh, could be this. Maybe. Nope. That's for when it's thingy. Alright, let's set some random scale. And random value. Throw it in here. Min max. Max to 2. Actually, max should be 1. A scale. N should be 0.1. Speed. Should set it to rotate along faces. But I don't like how every single one of these is active. I mean, I could just go in and pick some to get rid of, but which one is that? If I go back here, remove. Remove some from there. I'll remove all these corner ones. And I guess I'll get more control. This is a mess right here. Wallet. All of these. All of those. Hey, what's up? I could never. What should I call you? Ninim? Ninim? What would I say in English? Poopy, poopy. Poopy. That's funny. So I'm trying to make a cave thing here. But I'm trying to figure out how to get these to curve. I mean, I don't have to curve them, man. Alright, let me see if I could do realize instances. And if I save here, I think it should update over here. I'm not sure. Oh, it does, but rescales again. God dang it. I need to scale it up. I think it was by 4, so let's go back and learn. So here, scaling by, say 4, 4, 4, 4. Then apply that. Everything looks small. Save. Back over here. Oops, way too big now. Oh, I think that's because the scale is still applied to it. Go back to Alan. Event. I still have the 4 on here too. Should be good now. Or close to good. Let me hide the island for a sec. Or the terrain, I mean. This way could work. Oh, I need to delete that. That is not good anymore. Hey, let's see how I line this up. Oh, the original image is still there. That's funny. Oh, that's the original collision shape, not the original. So I gotta redo that. Save. Let's go back over to cave 1. Delete this guy. Re-import him. Alan. Alright, let's see how this looks now. Could really have some fun with this. Like I could do. Yeah, that's way too uniform. But it works. I could experiment with that off stream to get it right. I want some of them to not work and some to work. It's more random. I wonder if does Godot actually read the cave systems? A mesh is what do I want to say? The mesh is data apart from. Look at it. Oh, it doesn't. That would be so good. Like how you can read blend shapes. It'd be cool if you could read the points on the surface. Like the points that I'm using in Blender, these same points. It's super useful. I'll make a flashlight really quick. Here the flashlight. So, do the flashlight. I need. Where am I? On my view, add a point light. Is it a point light? I don't remember. No, it's not directional because that's the sun. Alright, that's a step light. Light. Oh, spotlight. Or lantern. I think that's the right one. Yeah, it is. Put it to go way out. A strong pattern. Put it in front of the camera. Call this flashlight. I'm definitely gonna need one, by the way. Just didn't do it yet. And that's gonna be an item that you put on. Could set it up that way too. Let's go to the use item here. The active tool. I guess a flashlight is a tool as well. So let's go to inventory. Let's close all of these. Then I add a. Where's my inventory at? Other. I think it's in player. UI. Maybe. Inventory. So here I have 9 stuff here. I add a name. Flash. Oops. And quantity. ID. To get this one, flash light. That. Put it here. All right. So for the flashlight, just copy this again. I need to set up this thing so I could just put the items here. I had it before, but I got rid of it. And this should be. Get rid of the bow for now. I could just. So, let this be 5. That. Now I have to check the tool. Tools. Oh, I should put it on the tools. EP. There. Then add a. I think I'm using the tools right here. Flashlight. A player. Means tool. Flashlight. Extends tool. Oh. That's just. I guess I have to make it an object for now. Or a new scene. Save branch is scene. Scenes. Tools. Right. Alright, let's see what tools do here. What this actual tool is doing. Let us have a use and stop use. Oh, I don't need nothing complicated for that. Say func use. Let's say if enabled. Wait, the light has an actual on-off thing or just visibility? Yeah, it's visible. If visible, go to false and show. Else. Hide. Don't need to set it to be off by default. So func ready hide. So whenever I press 5, it will switch to the flashlight, but I need the tools to know that I'm actually trying to turn on the flash. Active tool. Here where I'm selecting tool. Tool is in group. What? Guess I gotta create Oh, inventory. A flashlight. Two. I don't need to do anything here. I don't think. On. Full ID. Exactly. Hiding all the other tools. Show line. Oh, that's for the fishing rod. Oh yeah, I just need to set the current tool. Current tool equals to, what did I pick as tool ingot children? Oh, I do have to set it. Do have to set the group. So if tool that is in group flash the fact that I have to be trying to remember how to do this, that means something's off with it. Alright, so current tool, show line, show. I don't need to do a tool as show. That's basically turning on the flashlight. Let me just try that. So, shortcut item. Alright, so right here I'm saying when I press shortcut 5 or 6, I mean, that's basically 0 to 5 or 1 to. Wait a minute. 1 to. Oh, I could just use 6. Didn't need to get rid of this. Or, oh, I do. I'm dumb. It's the actual IDs. Alright, so I'm grabbing this one. And then I'm go back to tools here. It returns. Select tool, active tool. Double check what it does. Yep, return shortcut ID. So flashlight. Then select active tool. Does the hiding for whatever tool I had selected already. And then it picks this guy. I could turn on the flashlight. It should just work. Go back to Alan. Maybe it's not even bright enough, but who knows. Well, I'll never know. Why is it picking a knife? Okay. Reason that's picking a knife. Knife is 3. Wait, knife is at 4. Interesting. I was pressing 5. Hold on, let's check the select tool section. Go on. We double check something here. A6 is actually 6. 0, 1, 2, 3. Weird. Get shortcut item. Oh, it says actually. Crap. I'm done. I'm pressing it, but what does? Check something here. Go back on the player. Flashlight off. Did that even activate it? Tools. I'm actually dumb. Tools. Where am I doing? Oh, I didn't add it to the group yet. That's why. Dude. Node. Go here. Node groups. Flashlight. As I was saying, this is kind of dumb. It's better to just use an ID system. I think I didn't put a space there. The flashlight. I keep doing flashlight. Alright, no it should be. Yeah, I think I'm over engineering that. Don't need to use groups. Need it to be an ID. Maybe I'm not writing something right. I'm pressing it, but ignore that line. Oh boy. Flashlight on, let's double check that. Yeah, all I have to do here is just check. Say I use these same things again, put it in the tool itself, then I could just set it to be that too and ready. I'm gonna do that right now actually. So let's copy all of this. Copy. Then go to the tool. Where is it? Tool. Type tool here. Tool. All I have to do is set a type here. Type. Then use places constants here. Say const. I could even use an enum right here too, because these are all in order. Let's say tool type for enum. Tool type. Change up this whole thing. Equals. Oh, I don't need that. This guy. Say flashlight here. Keep in mind, an enum is just basically whatever going first, you go as an index. So it's the same as writing these out. Let me move these in here. Get rid of the const. I could multi-select now, so I could just do something like this. Delete those. Tab. That equal sign should be here. I'm not sure. This doesn't need to be here. I believe they need commas. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? Expected after enum name. Sorry. There. Then set the type here as be a tool type. We're not giving it a type yet. So on each tool now we need to set the type. On the X, for example, do the ready function. Func ready type equal tool type dot x. I have to copy this and put it on our flashlight. Anyway, but for this flashlight, I also need to first extend the regular node. Make it a root. Let's call it flashlight. Call this the actual light. I don't know, light. Then we use the flashlight here. Then extend tool. Let's say type equals tool type. The funny thing is, I don't even have to use the keyword tool type here. In other words, I mean, I could just get rid of this. Just say enum. That way, this is just class wide. No, just get rid of this. Set it to none by default. And then now, right here, I could just say tool type X. And then for the flashlight, I could say flashlight. Then for need to do this for all the tools, by the way. We don't even have to use groups anymore. Go back to tools. Go on the player first. Need to open up all of these. Pickaxe, that. Now flashlight open already. Let's see, X, we have this set. Let me just copy this guy. And pickaxe. Let's come here, paste, change this to pickaxe. Go to bow and arrow. Didn't actually do anything with the bow and arrow yet. But let's change it to bow and arrow. Or bow. Go to spear. Spear. And knife. Change this to knife. Fishing rod. Then just the fishing rod. Get rid of this. Really, we should make that the first thing we do. Alright. Now for the tool now, we could just get rid of all of that. Well, let me fix the flashlight first. And now we actually need the light. So unready var light equals flashlight. So I could just use the, what did I call it? Just light right there. So light. Could just say light dot hide. If light dot visible equals false, then we say light dot show. Then I could say light dot hide. Right. And now for the tool. Where's the tool? Tools. So right here, let's see, where am I doing? So if tool type equals fishing rod, for example. Oh no, not that. So tool, let's just say match tool ID. Oh, this is where I'm selecting the tool. Yeah. So if tool type, we just do ifs here, right? Match tool ID. Oh. For tool and get children. So tool dot type. Thinking how to do this. Let's just say none. No. I'm thinking how I could make this easier. Oh, I could just use a break here. Dang. What I'm doing different. Bunch of if statements. Tool ID equals this tool's ID. Yeah, that's all I have to do. So all of this is gone now. Say if tool ID equal to current tools dot type. Right? Then we see else current tool equals now. So current tool equal tool let's show. That's all we really need. And I need to figure out how to get rid of those special cases. With this efficient right here, show line, that should even be a thing. And delete all of this. Go. I'm not even worried about efficient line. I'm gonna come to that at another day. And then I need to break this. Break. Save. Alright. Don't know if that's gonna work yet, so let's test it out. I think there's more I need to fix there. I saw that black screen, that weird screen. So let me go to select tool. Okay. Alright, that should be good. If this works. Selected. Uh-oh. Okay. Attempt call function high base null instant. Oops. Do that. That was a mistake there. I had the script on the light too. Ah, shoot. Run that. Flashlight. And they're all resolved. I mean, it works, but there's a weird reason going on. What's up with efficient run? Visible. What's up? The flashlight too. Whoops, 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 whoops. But weird, like, oh, the fishing rod does not hide. What the heck? They're not hiding. Alright, let me try out the flashlight if it works. There you go. It works, kinda. Go back to the fishing rod. Fishing rod's broken. Hold on. For some reason, fishing rod isn't hiding. Back to tool. Not tool. Fishing rod. Test. Alright, so right here. Oh. What the heck? Did I fix the fishing rod? Oh. I think I know what it is. I don't have the knife here. Dang it. I should make that a constant. Or a. What would call it? Fuck it. Const. I don't even think I need these anymore. Now I think about it. Do not. I do not. Get rid of these now. Strip just got a lot smaller. I think none was negative, right? Oops, 0. That's right. Alright, so active tool is just 0 by default. And I hate using the island scene. Takes way too long to load. Alright. Oh, that looks really good. Alright, the light is actually not bright enough. Or spread out enough, I mean. And that's a bit far for a light now, I'm looking at it. Bring it back in. Scale them out a bit. Save that and test it out again. Alright, flashlight number 6. Don't have a thing for it, so not that bright, is it? I need it to be more spread out. Maybe I have it too far away from the camera too. Alright, let's experiment. Where are you, flashlight? Bigger field of view and further up. I wish there's a way to see it, but I mean there is. But right. Give it some more range. And the flashlight should have a yellow to it, right? Or not? Shadows, enable. Distance fade. Or actually no. Give it 2 energy. That's more like it. Yeah, now it looks like a flashlight. Those get collisions though? I think they did. I could reach them. I just realized the stamina thing, it doesn't you still move fast whenever you're done. Houston, you have a problem. The thing is too low. They look from it. Like it. Come on. Oh, why? Grab on X. B. Grab on Y. That looks better. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump off for today. I'm gonna start working on this off stream. I usually only do it on stream. We make some progress while I'm off. Looks, that's better. Yep. And the whole thing is underground, so you can't even tell. A big boy here. I need to figure out the water too, so I'm gonna there's 2 things I really want to figure out. The where is it? The whiteness when the camera is far away from it. I think that's something to do with depth of field. And then whenever you're in the island, it's not showing in here. Alright. Alright guys. Take care. See you in a bit.